SYNLawn's exclusive EnviroLoc Plus backing system is a soy-based, environmentally friendly component system that locks in durable turf fibers, extending the product's life cycle and creating a fuller look. Made in the USA, our EnviroLoc Plus backing system replaces a portion of petroleum-based polymers with bio-based polymers, created from sustainable resources including soybean oil. EnviroLoc Plus also has important new safety features, including the addition of Sanitized. This additive offers protection against the formation of algae and fungi. The buildup of algae and fungi can be harmful to wildlife, plant life, and damaging to the environment. Algae depletes water of its natural oxygen, which can create unsafe water for wildlife and prevent the growth of fruits and vegetables. Fungi is a big contributor to respiratory allergies and can be costly to remove. SYNLawn's artificial grass with super yarn technology now protects against the formation of both algae and fungi greater than ever before, and helps to reduce allergens in the immediate environment. The two-part backing system increases dimensional stability, resulting in a stronger, longer-lasting product. Only EnviroLoc Plus backed products have the green color SYNLawn is known for, along with our logo and unique certification number. For any questions about EnviroLoc Plus, please contact us by phone or online at synlawn.com.